Come test drive the 2017 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, leather trim seats, cruise control, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.